Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/PMCLounge. Subscribe to us if you haven't done so already. We are all about PMP. We are all about project management. In this video, I'm taking up a question that I received on one of our videos and you will see it on your screen right now. What is best for somebody who is at manager level in operations? This is by Deepak, and this comment is on one of our videos where I'm talking about PMP. So I believe what he meant when he wrote this comment was, should he go for PMP or not, since he is at manager level and he is in operations. So obviously there's a difference between operations and project. If you are into project management, or if you want to get into project management, then of course PMP is something that you should definitely look out for. If you have nothing to do with projects, if you don't want to get into project management and you want to continue your journey in the operations environment, you don't necessarily need the PMP certification. Now, considering you are at a manager level position, right? Having a PMP certification under your belt signifies the fact that you know a lot about project management. Actually, you know everything that there is about project management if you have the PMP certification, because PMP is the absolute gold standard when it comes to project management certifications, right? So it gives you that authority. It gives you, it gives you the knowledge that you need for project management. So it is definitely something that you should consider, especially since you are at a manager level positions, right? Position, it will build your authority, and it will highlight the fact that in addition to your current job in operations, you also have and possess significant knowledge about project management, and maybe your company might want you to take up some projects at the side as well. So a lot of new opportunities are going to open up if you get yourselves the PMP certification. So like I said, if you want to get into project management, go for PMP. If you want to continue in operations and build your authority, build your authority in terms of having the knowledge of project management, go for PMP for sure. But if you want to continue in operations and do not want to, build your authority, especially for project management or get into the project management space, then you don't necessarily need PMP. I hope that answers the question. And if you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I respond to all comments. And if the question is something that is going to help others as well, I will create a video on it just like this one. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.